of hearing about how everyone else is making a mint? Time to tune in, because we've got the updates on how your own backyard could be working harder for you. Hi there, it's Rupali, an independent buyer's agent from Get Rare Properties. Today, we are spilling the beans on the latest and greatest from the Australian property market, spotlighting the week ending 12th April 24. Get ready for some eye-openers. First off, let's chat about how your home might be doing more than just giving you a place to live. The Australian Bureau of Statistics just dropped some figures for the December 23 quarter, showing households' wealth is up for the fifth consecutive quarter, jumping a solid 2.8%. Thanks to the rising property prices, we're all a bit richer on the paper. The ABS reckons residential land and dwellings are the main heroes here, contributing a whopping 1.2% to the total rise, pushing our collective wealth to 15.7 trillion. And hey, the stock market's been pitching in too. Now, speaking of getting into the market, it seems like folks are getting pretty eager to jump into the property game. Loans market seen a spike in pre-approval applications with over 1,000 keen beans this past month alone. An auction, they are back. Post-Easter, the national clearance rate hit 76%. With Sydney leading the charge at 82%. Almost 2,000 properties went under the hammer last weekend, especially in places like Ryde in New South Wales, where 94% of properties auctioned found new owners. Alright, moving on from buying frenzy to what's being done about the supply side of things. The federal government's rolling up its sleeve with the new 500 million housing support program aiming at boosting housing supply. It's all about getting more houses built quicker by making the planning process more efficient. The Property Council's pretty chuffed about it, saying it's about time we tackle the planning bottleneck that's been a right pain for housing affordability. Now, for those of you with an eye of future, if you've got a lazy mill lying around and wondering where to park it, regional Australia's looking pretty good. PRD Real Estate's latest reports highlight some top spots for investors. Places like Mackay, Dubbo, Ballarat making the list. These areas aren't just about scenic views. They are offering solid rental yields and are expected to see strong growth, so might be worth a squeeze if you are looking to invest. There you have it. Whether you are looking to grow your wealth through property, or ready to dive into the market, or just scouting the next big investment opportunity, it's all happening right here in Australia. Found value in our latest property intel? Then let's make it official. Hammer that like button. Get on board with subscribe for all things property and jingle the bell for instant updates. Cheers for watching, and we're already counting down to our next catch up. Keep living the dream until we meet again.